na awesome mabukasi osade majikwashira waba fora pumefini bonimo haiti na moto Jesus haiti na moto no na moto fumsuni na chemo Yenkobio. Namoto Jesus, Namoto no. From Sunni na Mokra, Waruma Mayede Sukwachama. Anna Eni Sentamoto Jesus, awesome Mokase. Usada Magic Question. Ebusia, meeting the Kwesi Apia, wait me a friend with black card. Jesus, sure, what do you Assassino, Free Jordan, Sipu, and Manjata, Martin, see a quantity. That's right. Sure. Free Jordan, Sipu, and Ofie Kwanso. Assassino, Free Jordan, Sipu, and Manjata, Martin, see a quantity. Naminara, what you couldn't beba. Manjata, Martin, see a quantity. Naminara, what you couldn't beba. You couldn't every radi. Wedding Definitely right here on Adom 106.3 FM. Good afternoon to you, Ghana. Yanya Tnasi, the near Baba drive you home safely. As I say no.
Naminara, Otikunin, Babo, Hekunim, Eflerati, Hekunim, Eflerati, Wadikunim, Amaso, Yabeki, Kunde, Francano, Hekunim,
Eflerati. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon.
Eflerati.
Me pacha haya Adom FM why? Ofie Kwanso nie. Ye ba be him kunim di frank esan say nyame ne yedi ni ye. E wo mu say nyenyoma nyina ye hwehwe na fi mu ne ensa ka de. Enso ye bu nkompo hwe ye chi a nyame ne yedi ye pa. Na emaya rehiremu esan man anidaso. Se twedi apode ye be kwawe ye padodo. Odi enenso achaye enye ni penya no started 1st January 2019 and watumi ahuru ene se nyame de na acha woni wabusua ye fa na ye mre no ye konim francano sorry gebe he konim de francano. Church media they brought Monday through to Fridays. Me didn't quite see up here between a friend Black Eye, me trem the Jerry Justice. Papa Bill's the chief producer. African so boy. Samson and Nana Bedi Densu Ejina Yepa. And every year Sinkunya, Wunti and Yasinkunya, Wunti and Yawaha. To do a video to Heidi. Yeah, Baby make sure say we'll be enjoy radio pa. Every Sabre copy said no see evermore. Say ya kwankran na wase de ho ma na wani je de be wo ama after onye pop ni e be she suro ni mukra na me pa twanche bia me activate phone line no na wagina mu di ama wabusua ugina mu di ama wonam fofo ugina mu di ama my Ghana ugina mu di ama wabusua ugina mu di ama wadwuma yefo nyame agye wo oni wabusua awia yemfa na ye yemra no Papa Bill say telephone line away. And a bohodo. Okay. Ahoma yedi di jume na wie 0302 216561 0302 216562. With me a friend with black eye. Yeah, you are, yeah. Yeah, Wasida. Waya di Kesia Maya. Yeah, you are, yeah. Yeah, Wasida. Wawa Juntina Yetiasi. Papa driver, and your experience in Kwane do Kobo and Yamian Dumwate. Ahomano Swaya Shedodo. Yo, I go fear how.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Pacha. Why you?
Pacha from Ogbeka Retard.
Show, a young family, I am Renway. What Joe knew Abusia.
Back and in America, Cassia Garden, and sure, ship be free China, Kabu Ghana and Kanye.
That's right.
But I don't want to say pretty best more than 6 months. They fired me from Birmingham. But me first, I'll be a bad minute first.
It's a miracle. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Yo, I go, why you?
I'm Black Eye.
Yeah, now I knew.
Me patcho me didi Joseph Tete me where that came across.
Uncle Joe, bibi abakord yeah.
Adom.
We are young for trading and poor yem renway.
The radias, I want to see in the buying boss room. if we have 50 years here, every minute, the Yamia Pijan is like I say, or minimum bushing of force.
That's right.
And America said, with the Yamia say, I've so. And then I'm back to the Prince Abro Sang, one on the home fan. Now, so Yamu to me are doing and they were to me at TSA. Now, the Yamin and Nasi and I in Campo.
Amen.
I feel Madame, you're me or the Madame Janet, or so even can just so you pa.
Sure, Yamin Cadaho. Ago! Me pacha wine you.
Teresa, that's what my kid.
Na okasa free here we.
The cafe that's what my kid.
Yo, na we nyamia jonu abusuon yamfa na ye yemre no e.
Yo, ye den nyamia si bebre. Na nyamia ma me busia. E ma nyankopon de adom me. Da nyamia si e ma mo kwan. Bebre na nyamia ye. Afa me da nyamia si e ma ye ma mi nkruma. The Church of Pentecost. IP Assembly. Ma me fa wa yes ni. Ni da nyamia si ma no. Mami ni aba anti sua. Oya edesa. Ewo mamplodi gesene ni sinya mi sira obidia.
That's right.
Amen.
Amen. Once we betumi de waye yensem ni nyina de afa ye Facebook so de abra Adom 106.3 FM. Ago, why ni o?
Amen.
Na why ni o?
Pepa choma ho.
Meje usuo ya bru na why ni o?
You're from ACS, Agomenya Corner, so.
Hey, na bibia boko de.
Oba dia da Roma, me ho ye pa.
Ye de nyamia se, ye mfa twedi ampo aye yemre no e.
Oh, me da oba dia no se. Obambo eni hwe so pa, e jana de abampo ban, wo me difre. Ene me san bam nyina, me ni mabusia nya, ne masafo me nyina ra. Afen so Agomenya Kronen so, e wari koso so bo ho ban. Enu ti be chia Agomenya henfu Boni nara se erade nkoso no mo bia ho ban omo mo wakwanti omi nyina so
amen
e nyina so ne ade nyakopo asi so guso boy ho ban
amen
na de me kan nyina ne se eye ACS Agomenya Kona so ajowo wa Jesha Mokra Ago.
Amen. Brata interzone.
Hey, international zone.
International zone on the line, yo.
Meto won kacho. Na bibia makode.
Oh, psychologically, biologically, mathematically, I'm living well. What about you?
Yes, I'm doing well by the grace of Yah.
Yeah. And kicking.
That's right. Area for the
The better Chidian Puasi. Peter Cranky and Coupon, Interzone Production Team. Nempo, Madame Docas, Mensa, or Chief Inspector, or Parliament House. Nempo, Interzone, me fans were with Memu Nadibiam, what Jim Wolfram, UK, Singapore, German, Woman Crown for a man saying Nella, Chidian Puabi Brunam, Mayampo, multimedia Jumaku. Na DJs na present all man Ghana mu nala the Chidian Puase pam. There's a saying. There's a saying there. If you can't be a nice pencil to write someone's words, happiness, have to be a nice eraser to kill someone's sadness. So our Heavenly Father, we thank you. We appreciate your generation of perpetual peace. Lord of Lord, we thank you. Hallelujah. Amen.
I tell you. English papa no. Also bet to me do aye yin seminar dey afa your Facebook page Adom 106.3 FM. Eddie Abremi. Ago.
Amen.
Na why ni o?
Tete zara ni o.
Bibi abako dey Uncle Tete.
Nyame.
Awie yem fa twedi ampo aye yi mre no. Lower radio no kakra ma me why?
Yo.
Lower radio. Aha, yentiu.
Me da nyame asima. Sister Abigail, na brother say, nyame ni fi Holland aba. Ebedu East Legon.
That's right.
Oni Sister Vida. Omunya ne ba ene.
That's right.
Me da nyame asima omo.
Amen.
Amen. Mitia, me say nobody. Me say nyame shanti.
From Bagawaya. Iwanina Ago.
Amen.
Na why ni o?
Naomi ni o.
Naomi say here we.
Michelle Cocointi,
Area Jinemu Famo Abusiafo and Yanfa Trade and Poye Yembranwe.
you, area, then I may have say, I saw you not touch a mother body, no more jelly of Saya. Edia Sudani, Kabioma Yanko. Yeah, then I say, whenever we go, I'm in the brain, a sharp and I say.
That's right.
And then they home fire who
That's right.
and then I want to be I do me mobile. In the Catania, me and I was you.
Amen. Ago.
Amen.
Me pacha wine you.
Pacha Femi Albert.
Albert Shahian area.
There I got Femi Agacha 1 because Kazafi station in West State.
Yo, area Yanfa Trade and Poye Yembranwe.
Midanyanyasi. I want me Akasama Bravo and me Yeri Dina Dankwa.
That's right.
And in my name Papa and Muna and Madako for Nina.
That's right.
But I'm present me Pastor Reverend Maxwell Bonwe D. Goba Evangelical Church Station Branch. Midanasi, the same Chiamuna, any Goba for Nina. Any Reverend Owusu Akomia, Breakthrough International, or Sprinters, any Dawi, the Chiam no Sunini wife. Thank you.
Yo, Damikalo. Yada waseda. Ago.
Hey, Black Eye.
Yeah.
I'm sick.
Why are you sick?
This is do your old friend.
Do my own friend.
That's right, Bobby.
And that makes you sick.
You can be here for you for a couple of weeks now.
I know, right? How are you doing, my brother?
I'm all right, baby. Come on, man.
Yeah.
That's it. You know something?
Unless you tell me, bro, my brother.
My granddaughter, Ohiniwa, she said she won't go to school because of the birthday. So this morning, I called Adom FM. I couldn't get in touch with them. So please, Black Eye, please sing a song for my daughter, Anochi Ohiniwa.
But did she go to school today?
When the mother took to the school, there was a little bit of annoying this way. So please, she said she wants to hear her name in Adom FM. Okay, so mention her name. Ohiniwa Anochi Prince.
Ohiniwa Anochi Benis.
Yeah, Spinters Road.
So Ohiniwa Anochi Benis, Spinters Road.
That's
Happy
right.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ta-da! Ago.
Amen. Good afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you?
Kwati Bokuni from Lasibi.
Ke yen fa twedi ampo aye yemrenwe.
Me de Nyankopon ase wo ma bra bo me so wa hwe me so afi January bepem of September imu na me da so se e wo nkwam wa hoden me da na se.
Amen. Ago.
Amen.
Na wani o.
Ama no wala to atigiri.
Bibi abakode.
Ami Adom.
Jo. Obene den ewia yemfa twedi ampo aye yemrenwe.
Yakai. E pa cho me da se mo so ebi to so ba wan di ama. La tafu ejwadufo no. Aye kufu ka na be to anopa no. Be biom. Wo brother mo so bra din. Braka ye de nyame asa ama brother so wo be biom. Eji ba to asa. Aga no wo be biom. And if I tell you that, so with the young I can't no.
Yo, enti abai penny for the metro mass for mate. Well, okay, one more why. Now, Papa, on a more serious note, I don't know, say, Bass Name, Jumabio, Wamule, no, say, and Jimobian for so. Hey, serious, oh. What's a traffic not cheer pass and so sadly, the whole free. I'll say, me for any normal car. I say, Bass is crying, who may be a bass. I don't know, be friends said, one more the bass, not got your brooding cat. Can you imagine? Yeah, pick your friend for Ago.
Hello.
Me patcha, why you?
I remember after playing you.
I just hear we.
Let's official town, Doko.
Yo, young for trading and poye in Renway.
Me there, so I bought me home by. My name is Busia.
Washi and Swama, now she acquires another fear. I said, I'm the man.
Amen.
The Baba could do the birthday, and my flesh are moved.
Yeah. Ow. Your friend is a body.
From Poma Pepra.
Ow. From Poma Pepra. Belated birthday.
I'm not. And this word birthday, man.
And yeah, happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hip, 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 hip. As well. I pick up for chat to an area. I go, Fia. Now I know.
What your sister, Mam Casafido, do
Yo, sister, Mam Casafido, do Yamfa Chedia Poye Yembranwe.
Bidayamia Sede, or China, what she was see me anchor back or him where Jumakwa Mia. When it be allowed to him, Yakwaba some Jim, Yadayamia see, Yakabiaron Yamahan, what the double Jesus Christ need means. Amen.
Amen, oh, Mammy.
Yes.
And you be our phone or your original party. Okay, cut a corner and I mean, tear sound, cut a line, I mean, tear sound. On Katia, Jinaso and one and a credit, Bessa.
Just is our hit.
Oh, around next week or by eye.
Katia said, don't come, I mean, or Castano.
You, ma. Yata say the pedamite wo phone sound the cat corner mean take sound and ye nyina so ye miss me do ye nyina so why me tie sound be say me tie kunkun no be say me tie kunkun mo ntwe no cat na mti be there we original sound na ye chan original okay you do who to 2 year pa. This is Adom 106.3 FM. One so what do one messages are sending on Facebook near Godfred Aqua. I'll say watching you live and clear from London, UK. Me danya mi ase dia mama busuafo nyina enkwa watenkwamu aye twedi ampo adarom enu nti no watenkwamu ti o se ode ayeye mapa e de ma eye twedi ampo for na busuafo mo kasoa Galilee market ene asen nyame ndaye ene taxi drivers are mo kasoa Galilee market nyira ena Godfred Akwadi free eye London UK dia botum se no ye taxi driver me hwe na mitumi Ahima Kuyaboy says, Black, I thank God for the life of my father, Papa Isaac Kwadjo Boahing, and also for Peter Mankwa, all of heaven, Divine Heaven Ministry Church in Sawema Duajiri. Rexford Daku says, Hi, Black Eye. Me Danyamia say, Ediama. Tego sisters, especially Kakra from US. And Rexford Daku, can you say? Johnson Opoku says, my name is Johnson, and my name is co-workers are more Christy Brown inside Lorraine Gono. Papa Bill, your baby friend Lorraine Gono. I said there is no single day that we don't listen to Ofie Kwanso. Yeah, Danyamia said, Maya Bravo. Okay. Catherine said, what the anointed says, thank God for the gift of life he has given me today. Kwaku Shadrach says, I'm watching you all the way from Achim Kade. Medanya Miasi dia mama brabo. Kofi Ingisa. Also see Odanya Miasi dia ma said you are brabo. Ike Cranty says, God is really good and I'm so grateful today. Oyibo Boateng from Nerebehi. I see watching you live and I'm really enjoying the show as I give thanks to the Almighty God. Suman Okwante says, Anoso Ashama Lebanon Zone 5, Odanya Miasi Diamana Brabo, Liliana Kosia Makosa GH, Teacher Constitution, and Ako Kerry Tiero, Emilia Havo Millicent Alanyon, Munina Mehumunina on Facebook. Thank you for your messages. Papa Bills, Jai biscuits in every nabe Joe metal back of 2 and I'm from Pamenu. Zina Metia say, a short bread and a digestive. Baby, I was see me. When I am busily talking, Papa Bills is busily chopping and munching and grill. Say yeah, but you know, boss or the didn't see me starting to because I was Papa Bills are starting with biscuits. When him say make us me ribby ye. Oh, Papa, we more boy and I'm come move. Me patcha wouldn't say a fear bebrea eshishin. And dime bebrena eshishin ubekom no bebrena no cables now I'm dear wiring with you honor. And a bebrena nya papa. Don't compromise on quality what Namia do mu si wodan wa dru baby a ube ode wiring ube wire wo fie no a men konko to wire bia keke sanse ne boafo dabi use signal cable abribia na fire wiring say a conduit cable na wo part wire signal cable say a flexible cable say a PVC cable armored cable and a data cable na wo part wire a signal cable ye kan for the ama Shishwa kwanye Wawa Tema Community 7 Wawa Tema Technical ni GTP fifi muha ehona be hunu Africa Diamond Cable Company won ena waye signal cable and won no the signal cable e dia ball my god abuha unye bito na the your wiring na ebeboa power Mr. Electrician unye bi na ode wire ofie a building contractor estate developer ebeboa power and unti frame 0303 309499 0303 309499 Ubenya signal cables ibia tower electrical shop BM o my Ghana ha udru aka say open the standards authority for what they want stamp team so pine ama energy commission for so what wonu monyama tachire ye kan ye kai na your signal cable the nation's cable pa Baba Bills oh me shirt no ano pay me to me boasi twi so rough starting on swedim starting a dim feko scratching a soup feko spray starting a dim now the good thing is that ano pay so man shut down for perfume and go me home it's as a feko spray starting the odi adbo ba ku kumo no mami enu ebo na treat ne watade so am watade na ni ada ho no na say nice fragrance what nice fragrance pa and a feko spray start eje watade mu patcho say wo be ironing now ironing na sipia sita na say nice fragrance e watade ni mu a demu ni nyina e ye feko spray starch fa feko spray starch fa to ade wa fa feko spray starch fire ironing no na be won say yes uluku sharp ama bibia so ade yie pa obenya bia to odwa so ba bia open spray starch papa pa dia e di ni feko samara fo no wade aba onim samara de omudi bia to ha eye bumpa na boom ya me kai here I can me mega boom insecticide spray mega boom insecticide spray insecticide spray di no ho na me se mega boom 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 as well edi we ntontom ti krampa o mu collapse edi we ntontom ti a wotumi wu just like that it sounds a mega boom insecticide spray any mega boom spray mosquito spray e sheye pa se wo di spray wo dem ho a ntontom stubborn one so no e hye won ase ku won kodwo to na nyantontom nko a emmoa bia no a wo wiawia wo fie ho ni nyina crawling insects ni nyina e kele wo mu nyina e dia ne ntontom e dia ni cockroach wo nyina wo sro mega boom insecticide spray ene mega boom mosquito spray e ye kama pa ne bo no so da form wo spray kum ntontom ni nyina #madakra ene wo dwomu dia wo kofia make sure so beto mega boom dia kofia why Baby, any afraid 0246 373 711 0246 373 711. Now, on a mega boom insecticide for you change cover. Mami Pacho Usika Sem to say. And Usika Sem to say. Ekoyi. And I say, what you ma? Say, what you na and ma, only bank of 4 Ninkita or so. Say, Usika Semun Koya. Woni baby a wo save wo sika wo no ana baby a wo je monthly bank na wo je monthly pay wo no woni wo mo ntwetwe nko wona ka chom se wo sika sem nko yie se bank na mfi wo a twa wo mo bo kra ada na wasa wo ma monthly pay efa bank baby anytime bia wo hia mo bia abekọ se me hia mo me niska me hia mo amomo me no mo ntumi amoa na sa bank na dwen se wo dwen wo ho bank na onwen wo ho bank adwen wo ho any banker once our monthly pay for hon ko ade anytime bia wo hia sika bia ade asato out wo hia sika bia ade quick loan asato out enkwada ni school fees e bia nyoma na wakra report no pesika dia clear se wo save your bank bi no mo nti wo suase adog wo mo na bra GT Bank the guaranteed trust bank the me de crane wo mo quick loan no wo say once a wo ye bosome adwuma a wo je bosome akatua nko ade anytime bia wo hia quick loan no guaranteed trust bank wo be ginam no aboa wa sorto out pa this our bank no wo mo sorto out adog wo mo na bra GT Bank wouldn't you rather back with us
Nyamie kwa mafata yeyo ayeyi sena one for money ayeyi sena one for money Nyamie kwa mafata tuntume and tuntum sena one for money one for money and tuntum sena one for money Nyamie kwa mafata shiro and shira sena one for money one for money shira sena one for money one for money one for money Missy one for my name, one for my name. Missy one for my name, one for my name. Missy one for my name, one for my name. Me to make a man tomorrow, because of my surrender. What shall I render to you, oh God, for all the good things you've done for me? What shall I render to you, oh God, for all the good things you've done? Let me try to get out. Oh, find that chicken for all the good things you've done for me. So what shall I render to you? What shall I render to you, oh God, for all the good things you've done? You save my soul, and I'm forever grateful for all you've done for me.
One more time now.
You save my soul, and I'm forever grateful.
That's right. That's right.
You've done for me. Nyamie kwa mafata yeyo, ayeyi sana.
One farmer no. You can never say who need reason be so the be nyamia ye. You can never say who need reason be say ye da nyamia se obeka say me da nyamia se. E say me need reason be can you imagine? Enra wo koda ye ne what that so be a wawu o. Enra wo koda ye ne what that so be a wawu o. So anano pay nyankopon agye wafiri owo nsam ache won kwa bio e wom sese nyoma nko yempa nyoma wo hwehwe afi mo nsan kan yempa. God has been good to you. Nyame ne wadi ni yie eno ti se yi nyame aya join ya akoma kro adwen kro ne fa twedi ampo aye yemre no nyame kwama fata ye yo aye ni sana won fa Awala ofana chika ya fio and tuntum sana won fa Now, Enchebia, Paul and Silas, yeah, they brought right here on the show. David Jackson says, watching you live from Tema Community 6. Catch so the Nidia Banon so on the Asankwa Obidumbie. How do you describe this icon? Catch say why then? How do you describe this icon? How would you describe it?
It looks like as a Akuma. Akuma in different sizes. Also beginning now. Mama shall free. It's a ketua bi. And I cost na ye kese kaka.
Okay.
Na ye kese kaka.
Okay.
Afena
Bozi. Eti dey no patch, dey pa no patch dem.
Na the ojanja na kraman ya na so ba.
As a kraman ba. I friend
Poppy. And wo hurihuri.
O hurihuri say.
E bia ne don park asoro.
Sa onye so ye adanko ma so heading.
And den ko beba form na. Say you see hurihuri ne dey.
Ni don park.
Ni don park. Ni don check ni enyima na.
Bless on Hini Supremo said, bless you guys. Ohima Kuya Boima says, ha 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 ha. Yeah, then Yamia say for your bravo. Missy Boachiwan so say, or then Yamia say for na bravo. Mama Sewa Bonsu says, good afternoon. I thank God for my life. Prince Yawapia Dankwa says, glory be to Almighty God in the highest. Watching you all the way from Hamburg. We thank God for giving us another day. Speechless Rain. I say the best station in Ghana. I thank God for you guys, man. Emilia Havo says, thank God for another day. Mr. Black Eye, Midanyamiase said, watch a minute, me busia for me international producer. Watch them in the
Papa Bills. Now, Papa Bills, there's all the other answer. Nobody action.
What you say? No, she said you man. She said you man is there. Who know? But the new man no said you know.
Teachers collect. Oh, yeah, no, boy.
Say, catch him say, oh, Casado don't tibra was him.
The Asamna, yeah, pay you. Asamna, the mother, you. So you must have put him by Assembly, a simple. Yes, some piety. I don't have some. Yame, minute idea, Nimu. Minute the yao. Central region. Okay. So Central Region. Minim baby a Central Region wo hye. But wo betimi a hia me.
Okay.
Kwakwadu kumi.
Heavy one pa. Awe.
AKA obidumbie.
As well.
Mene National Theatre crew. Ene Adom yenkofo ne bi. Ene concert party for. Ewo aguna nyakrum.
I tell you.
Memene da wo ye yo.
Okay.
I just me yent say me preaching. What I say? I'm talking about this.
You are in the spirit.
This Saturday.
That's right.
Memene da wo ye.
That's right.
And you men on song.
That's right.
Ewo aguna nyakrum.
That's right.
Community center. E hon ye the concert party. Papa. Ye de bro wo. Na onim say concert party there. Ye kan wasama. Atiti stars be brave. Now multimedia. Sarme ya som a concert party ye ne national theater ye kabuma ye fanatema foforo. Praise the Lord, hallelujah. It ye the bro agranya krom share agranya krom, amen.
Agranya krom infapoti
Nyakron community center.
Okay.
E hon ye the bro central region.
Okay.
7 p.m. pepepe ni akajagum when you Ghana man time 7 p.m. 7 years 7 obina we catch 7 p.m. pepepe say anopa na enyum.
Can you imagine? What's 7 p.m. aka hon? Obisa to akoton.
Enti ye share ho e ho be de ba no ni made ba kwa mepe se yase the theater no ye de ben ye ntwan se de bia na faka efru fie ne fabra national theater ne be comedy papa who say comedy so ye duro what I say
o ya le kure tumi sound ya de
what I say enti comedy no se ye de ben crofo ye be saman for ya ye wa agranya krum rate so ye cool 5 Ghana cedis pen
eni je we nyina achi
5 Ghana cedis
me so be ka 20
o debi se 5 Ghana cedis pen
ene mo de ache
oh ye de ache na Ogwaman concert party group be ba
ene perform yo
what I said the ene say ye the group fra kra ko ne ye group ba ko so free area ho e de account Ogwaman for ba sanso ena Awurade Adom concert party group for so ba so mu nyina ba be mo manfo asere Dr. Busu ba A1 ba omo ye comedians what you say tom the best spicy up the day 5 Ghana cedis
ye be di aguro
enti ade chi ya ne ya free nya krom ne ya bansaba what you say and Sabah community center e honso ye beduru ho a ye be bosso wo ho no so no drama groups abeba ye Gold Coast no free central region ye wi ane the noble concert party group ne de aka ho e honso Santana ene ko money wo mo na de comedy ne beba ene so 5 Ghana cedis enwume no 9 4 p.m. ni akaja gum
everyone pa
eyemo tienhia yenhia ebe fire ya
onyame nipa me fa wontwere he
ya ye de besia mo pe mo ahu a mo hia nya krom ene saba this coming Saturday masa ampaya edwa
na o preach ni nyina achi untu ya tight
ti ne kwakwa ne se de esi aye ye be hia okwan ho na
ne kwakwa ne sen
ne kwakwa na meka chos ye nhia what you say 5 Ghana eti ye hia se de na no abako bi si okwan no ho no se o kai ana mi nchim ana mi nchim
ye kofa police la
bedase
obi du bi no Paul and Silas Sam Rantie mienu we wa mo je wa mo ntre na pa wa Ghana ho enka kodue ma
yeah anyway zana anyway
etiefo me mamado emmakwaba e de badwumadi so median ne opani kwa me do ametiaja ba kufie wa ablekuma eye Paul ene Salas sika omo yo madwen se omo pe ofiri kwaku ho no omo nsanka asetra nso akwaku ne omo de tifi ho nso a enye papa bia na sesia bebi nso dia aba beka hu edie ena Salas beye e wa brabo omo bu
na obo bi de mo mbo kokoko ana oh koku sorry I didn't know mo sa unim no baby ana
oh baby Debbie mean she ana da minim no kra
bia minyim bia na menyina na atifi akeke
oh bia so unim me kra se nya hase na baba ye nhwehwe ni mo bia ka se bia minim wana sese
oh bia nya ha na me da me hwe ni mete bia mo akọ na agba no
oh bra so unim me kra bia mitimi sha bonten me bia na ya kemi bi na ya besi bibi so na maka cho se bia me pe be 50 bia ma wana se me pe ade foforo bia ma wana se me pe time mama you know
oh bia 50 do sha mesma go ma ye na bia 50 don so hwe
ke bia se 50 ni so ma wa bia wo dia nka me ma bibi krampa bia nka sempa na
oh bia wa hwa na se bia okodu Paul n'enyima wa bata so the 50 ni
Salas
den e koso no oh nya hwe
baby
nyim ni baby oh
baby nya hwe
o ni baby akọ
sorry
empenyisi humeni so maminti na chimienu nam
Salas I don't know what asa kokwa maskaron
wa fam mo
sa me kai
yeah we say We are simple pad.
I didn't get no so. No one about.
No one about.
Or a nice girl.
Oh, no, no child.
Send not here. Send not here.
Kukruwa come on.
Sir,
no honam koko na. That roof smooth and sir. Na side so I say come on. And then you must say
beautiful. And na to say.
Na to. At that brother happen to.
We am live. Hey, I go feel you.
Well, feel about hey, now let me be girl now. Oh baby.
He said you can bo. The me oh because baby say baby want fetch you. Pia. Baby arrogant.
Oh, I say koku ne guy no cry.
Oh, na koku bet me nya me say baby. Oba honam na kana. Baby, afino.
Hey,
afi baby.
More class and more fetch them be. Also was spelling kawe a into o into o kwadon to oh. Oh, when you baby ni
Oba ni suban.
Suban do ye. Suban do will be papa. Suban. Hey, you was ha no kwaye kitchen way. Ona no ho na abento na nkontumi ye bibia nti. Because say kitchen no. Mempa yo.
Mate menko bia menko.
Oyi wa. Agro no na da ho no. Emra. Salas ehun se. Bibi ewo fi ho no. Obo no modern ase wo ma Paul. Empiem free dem sa da no da. Enti ono a obeye fi ho ne nyina. Na abra oguso a wo ye no. Onkohwa kwaku eni bibi ena edi do a anu bi ma da. Na afi wo denyame ase. Se eye wo no mum enu hu ye na enye Paul. Oguso a wo ye fi ho adwuma no ena kwaku pie ba abonten se okokrum na akototo ne ma aba. Hey! Ayeka. Salas nie. Baby nie.
Hey, Silas. Na ha do be piem ha say.
Me bo pem wa haden.
Hey.
Hwe.
Eja be ko ne ogrebufu afumu no ho.
Ah, na papa isu da man no subante. Onya ba tan onya ba dai kra.
Na mo ankasa ne mo ye.
Nsa no de abofra bi ayebon.
Na ne ko fie o nam ha peden.
Men nam ha be chiro. Hey, baby. Nay, Scully da ho.
Wo bisame Silas. Je one Paul ye ya mo ma no koye no.
Oh, baby.
Ah?
Emmi. Men ko.
Emmi aboa. Wesi me ya ma papa ye free my brother mo.
Emmi nam support wo.
Wo support me we he. Na ni se wo ko wan kemi ama me.
Me kebi ma me shana no fanda ko nyine ko kan po de. Paul no pe no wo mpe Paul. Wo pe no. Me nyine ko kan nyina ma tase. Onu nti ye fi hwa na Paul. O se man kebi ama nti we jam hoko. Me yibre sam na me kan. Me kebi ma opa.
Na Paul we.
Me nyim ana me kan.
Ana me ka ba say me plans.
Da bi o me say no. Me adwuma o. Ana Paul e jam hoko man ko nti me pe adwuma ye na me nya kan nti me boa koku. Nkakra wo fi ha.
Okay, he. The ten say you better so one better so. Na the
on the mbote pa.
Okay, but the way train any products bi wo kumase na mpese oye me ambassador or links or connections na fo be
connection.
Silas na fo akese fo nko akumase fo mranti nti anko ye ambassador wia na say de me pen menya.
So ona bi na ma so me hwehwe yo bo me
mo na sa be pam no se ne o pam skali me bo
a nye me ye ono me kan bi mo baby me
pacho bebre when kwa ne mean to me me
Salas. Yes.
Silas. Why no sa voice na se Paul de no.
Oh da bi nya Paula.
Silas ne o city e we sure say I know na Paul na.
Baby me pe wasemo nya Paula. Hey koku na sane papa sane na akokra bi wa agogo da dem hontumi nya hwe nzem na mhwe
eh bia na free abano ke ni renti
Salas Paul na ma chesa
man bantina ma cheden me kom ka chede che hedin me mpoi me bantina ho de dem ya
de ben awako ko sabon to sa o mba da
me ba yoden
o ba mi de se dem go jam ko ha se me ko na me sha se
no ba o ya ba dia wa
Silas.
Yes
no
you know ho ina me ba nya
o ya sure
me sure
ese obi aminim
me sure only me sure mam ko hwe no na
ati zenianu mienu kwa emuza seba na san na mum kasa na no ye den ye ne bia na every day free
baby papa na no family ma kwade dan mo ada no jedura no ma heke
okay
baby no what dem kase me chewo
asembe
Kokuna ye hunu dam nya dam anu ato.
Sesen.
O anhye da ye papa dam. Hwe. Wi ase na hu. Mesma nyama kodo ofie han. Man kan ncha wan hwe na ma ye oban.
Silas, mempenia wo ye.
Hwe. Me hu asam na mbeka cha no mbejo nkwan. Ejina ho ba ye nya o mokoko hu. Metin kan ka che dem me papa asam. Na wan side nta.
Enti se sia koko wa ye.
Ai ejuma enyuma ye. Wa ka ejuma ya achiro.
Oh no.
Oh to men kan because nya ejuma na yu ada ho dama.
Inti asembe na wo ho ka kire me Silas.
Paso da ba de bia me bedi no kwankwansa na de bibi dam na ma be say no lie bia na de bibi dam atase. Mr. O da ka kire me ti. O da ka kire me ti. Oh da bi. Mr. Silas. Iwa abose.
Na so se o ka so pema asem bo a.
Wasam ne ndim me pe.
Inti o pema asem Mr. ka kire me.
Mate. Asam kese ba. Frank Hensi so. Enunti Silas ebetimi afa baby so ama ne nsa kan de ohwehwe yana etifo anje ena kwaku esan ba fie baby no a kwaku ja no kokuru mu no enye sa baby no a ena osan beto no no.
Do you now promise him in the papers way? And who papers for him? How into business we are sure say genuine. Or friends some more contacts now we a big businessmen who come as are they real?
They are real. Oh.
Mommy proof, Mr. Mommy proof.
Koku. The papers be.
And now we are Sakawa.
Menya Sakawa. Sakawa is saying.
A friend that I storeroom on what they.
A flu story.
A friend that storeroom on Koku there.
Madam Fubia was in of Pamomuna, Mamomu, baby Kakao Munda, Omugamonte.
What down for maybe if man catch us and peso we have a Bethia. Koku. It's all my other one has a Koku. Ombeko, Omunche be Ombeko. A friend that on a flu. Koku. And your mommy document, mommy proof, give me proof of something.
Wafa. Ija dom butu. Mami nya connection me first mko demo. Mko chese menya bibi mafa. Baby na no yedi o.
Koku ke bibi jame, Koku ka bibi jame.
Sana me cheche mwe.
On want to make kaza. Want to make kaza.
Abano keni renti, ebi ane free the freo, ya no efi.
Paul, Silas. Sisa onyaman. Ade, sisa onyaman me yanko. Hwe, to call me Paul, all kodo abano. Afamo ho, sisa onyaman me yanko le oboku ye. Paul, sisa onyaman yanko. Da ma fa abo na no. Fantokra no me yanko. Fantokra no me yanko. Intokro ben. Empoma ni mu. Fantokra no me yanko. Fanyama no basin. Paul. Anyway. Me fro, empoma yi kura wo so dodo. Salas. Yes. But boy, that one so matadium. That one so. You grew up at who was me uncle. My company. I'll go see me uncle. Paul. Baby.
Paul. Meba madam for.
Ba madam for. Hey. Una ho wono. Ho wono. Hey. Paul, Randy.
Enye sa na odwen wo da to bo.
Enye sa na medwen. Wo ma ya fa me nam. Ha Randy Yankopo. Koku wei. We only odwen ni simple. Hey.
Paul, nyabotre.
Me ba.
Paul nyabotre.
Me ba ho tisia. Me
Agaviete. Wana beria misika wa.
Paul. Ene Salas. Etimi do mo yonko. Kwaku sika. Edwane. Ehemfa kra no mani kire. Na hemfa kra. Eno mo kro. Adom ye nia. Ochina. Ahaya. Ena meni mo behia. Midian opani kwa medu ametiaja ba kufie wa ablikuma. Makramu.
Yo opani enso ya je onkra na tum. Nyame adom ochina. Ombesa ni abumpuni mpu bio. Na wana mi peja mani hwe wiem na me hu se abo 430.
사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선어해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선어해
나 프로파 쿰차차
원샷